There is this AI coding system that is built around multi-agent collaboration. So instead of one AI doing all the tasks badly, multiple agents work together like a real development team. If you have already used AI coding tools, something like Cursor or Windsurf, you already know the problem. Most of them are great at writing code but terrible at building real softwares. You ask for one feature and something else breaks. So let's see how Verdent AI solves this problem. So first of all, to start using Verdent AI, just go to verdent.ai or just click on the link in description. Then you can just sign up and start using it. You can also download Verdent AI on desktop. So right now you can see I have already downloaded Verdent AI on my desktop. You can use it as a VS Code extension as well directly inside VS Code. So let's say I want to build an AI habit tracking SaaS application with user login, dashboard, streak tracking, and premium subscriptions. Normally I would spend hours planning everything manually, but inside Verdent, you can assign multiple agents to work on it automatically. For example, agent 1 can be a product planner, agent 2 can be a front-end builder, agent 3 can be a backend engineer, and agent 4 can be a QA expert. So these agents collaborate together. That means faster builds, cleaner outputs, better decisions, and less chaos. This feels exactly like how a real startup build products. So before we talk more about its features and how great it is, let's just quickly start building. So right now you can see I have just downloaded and installed Verdent AI on my computer. You can do that too. And then you can just like choose a folder. You can create a new project and then you can just give it a prompt and it will start building it. So I just gave it this simple prompt, which is I want to build an AI habit tracking SaaS application with user login, with a dashboard, with streak tracking and premium subscriptions. Also use these 5 agents to build this project. The first agent is product planner. The second agent is for a front-end builder. The third agent is backend engineer. The fourth agent is QA and fifth agent is optimizer. So it is going to use all of these 5 agents to build this project for us. So I can just now press enter and now you can see it is just analyzing our prompt and now it will shortly start building this project for us. You can see right now the first agent has started working, which is the product planner agent, and product planner agent has already started analyzing our prompt, and after analyzing it has decided that it is going to build this project inside React, plus it will use Vue.js and it will use Tailwind CSS and TypeScript. Then backend. So before it starts building this project, it is first just completing this product planning phase. So I think we can just wait for it to build this project, and as soon as it is ready, then we'll just come back and we'll just review it and see how it has used multiple AI agents to build this project for us. So Verdent AI is designed to help both developers and non-technical builders to create apps faster. Most AI code editors today still use a single model workflow. That means one AI is trying to understand your idea, your plan, architecture, then it will write front end, write back end, fix bugs, and manage everything all at once. But that's just too much. Even strong models lose context. They hallucinate or even overwrite files. And once a project gets bigger, everything just becomes messy. And this is exactly why many people get stuck after building the first prototype. So Verdent solves this by giving you an entire AI software team instead of just one overloaded chatbot. And right now you can see Verdent AI is already working on this project, and you can see the first agent, which was agent 1, which was product planner, has already finished the planning of this project. Then agent 3 actually started, which was the backend engineer. Agent 2 was the front-end engineer, and this front-end engineer set up everything related to front-end, and it is still building all of the front-end related components in here. So all these agents are working side by side to build this project for us. So I'll just pause this video here and we'll resume as soon as it is ready. Okay, so apparently it has just finished this task, and you can see all of these agents have done their work. Now we can just test this application. I have just asked it to test the app end to end with sample data. So now it is going to test this app, and you can see it is just running the test in background with this sample data, and then we can see how it works. But one thing that is really important is all of these agents have worked side by side on their relevant tasks. Even the optimizer agent also has done its work. So our app is ready now, and this is how it looks like. Let me just reload it. So you can see it is working on localhost right now. So I can simply just click on this create account button, and then I can add the display name. I'll just enter my details, and then I'll just enter an email address, then I'll enter a password, then I'll just click on create account, and now my account has been created. Perfect. So now this is how the interface of this app looks like. These are all of the habits that we have in here. If I just click on any of these habits individually, so you can see these are the details related to that particular habit. If I just click on edit, I can edit these. I can change the color. I can change the daily target. Click on save changes, and now changes have been saved. I can now go back, so you can see all of these screens are working. I can in fact add a new habit. I can give it some name, give some description, and choose a color, and then use the frequency. We could change the color of these buttons as well. And now daily this, click on create, so you can see the new habit has been created in here. If I just click on mark as completed, so you can see this habit has been completed in here. So if I just click on view all habits, so you can see all of these habits are showing in here. So at navigation menu, we got these 3 options. We got dashboard, we got habits, and we got profile. So this is the dashboard, habits, and profile has the account management, profile has upgrade to pro, profile also has this sign out button. So all of the features that a basic habit tracking app should have, we have got everything in here. Also you can see these numbers actually change here as soon as we complete any of these habits. So if I just complete these habits, we can see the number increases or decreases based on that. So overall we have got like a proper nice looking application which has fully functional authentication system including sign in and sign up. So using this approach of multiple agents actually helps us really well to build a better and more robust software. And this is important because you don't need to be an expert developer to benefit from this. If you are a founder, you can build MVPs faster. If you are a creator, you can launch tools for your audience. And if you are a freelancer, you can prototype client projects in literally just minutes. The future is no longer about learning everything first. It's about using AI teams intelligently. So where do I think Verdent becomes more powerful? I think number one is startup MVPs. That's where multi-agent systems really shine. When one AI tool starts failing due to complexity, Verdent just keeps going. Honestly, I think many AI coding tools will move this way because software gets too many tasks happening together. That includes planning, design, logic, testing, and deployment. Expecting one chatbot to solve all of that perfectly, it was never sustainable. And Verdent AI understands this. It is practical, it is not gimmicky, it is focused on real development workflows. So if you're tired of AI coding tools that break once project gets bigger and you want something built for real software creation, then you need to check out Verdent AI. The link is in description and just go ahead, give it a try and let me know in comment section what you think about Verdent AI. If you have any further questions about Verdent AI or about vibe coding or AI coding in general, just leave your comments in the comment section and I'll see you next video. Bye bye.